Hey, so I wanted to show you a video that basically demonstrates how I've been using artificial intelligence in my business. And actually, the story is I didn't really do it deliberately, it was almost by accident. So I use a piece of software called Loom, um, and basically, I use Loom to send small micro videos to clients. And so I use it for, but the main reason I use it for is either for answering questions where it's a bit too complex to answer it via an email, or where I'm looking to take a client through their accounts. And so if I'm taking a client through their accounts, what I'll do is I'll create a PowerPoint, and then on the PowerPoint I will then record a Loom. It'll basically be a little video of me in the sort of bottom left or wherever I put the video corner of the screen that will talk the client through their accounts, and I've got some really positive feedback from it. So it's a good way to engage with your clients and get across a bit of your personality rather than just sending a really bone and boring email. But anyway, since I've been using Loom, they've introduced a new feature which you actually just have to pay for today, which is a bit annoying, but it didn't cost very much. But until now, it seemed to have been free. Basically, this feature is artificial intelligence, and after I finish recording the video, the AI now basically creates automatically a title for me. It creates chapters for me in the video. So at the bottom of the video, it will have like like on YouTube, you see the different shaded areas where there's different videos, and then it will also probably the most really useful is it will have a synopsis of the video, and it will have a summary of the video as well. So when I go to then put the Loom video into an email, for example, the summary of the video will automatically go in the email. So it's almost like type the email for me without me having to input into it myself. So I thought it was really cool. And what I'm going to do is actually, I'll show you how this works by showing you what happens when I finish recording this video, which is in Loom. So this is like the summary page on a Loom video after you recorded it. And you can basically see on here, I'll just show you some of the features. So I've just finished recording the video, which you just saw. You can see now at the top of the title, there's a title of the video, which I didn't create. The artificial intelligence put it in itself. It's also got, if you scroll down, it's got a summary, which is really useful. So it's basically made this summary using artificial intelligence. I didn't add it at all, so it's a paragraph. It's also, for the Loom video, it's you see now if I hover over them, it's got different chapters for the video, so you can break it down into different sections. I haven't figured out yet how to put this into YouTube. That'd be really useful if you could. I'm sure there's a way. I just don't know how. And down the right hand side, you can have some things you can edit, such as you can remove filler words. So for people who say and a lot, it can take them out. You can also remove silences if you've got big pauses in. That's just some of the features. So really useful, powerful tool for when you're recording videos. Yeah, and this is how Loom normally works. So you have my video in the bottom corner. So now if I copy the link to this video into the email, you can see the video appears, and then the transcript appears, or the summary. The only kind of annoying thing is it doesn't it's all in one line, so you have to kind of play around with the text a little bit. But you can see there, it's basically that's the start of an email. So actually, I don't have to write a full email. I can use Loom. Loom does it for me. And yeah, it basically is going to help me save time. Yeah, I think it's just a useful illustration of how useful AI can be when you're running a business. I think that's just a small, tiny bit of what's to come with AI. It's only going to get better. It's going to be really useful aid to any business. Anyway, I hope you found that useful. If you did, please like the video, comment on it, and then also subscribe to my channel for more videos.